Hi guys, so it's day 2 of our trip in Pondi. So we started off with brunch at this amazing place. It's called Appachi restaurant, and we had meals and fish fry and chicken fry and all of that. It was amazing. It's a must visit if you are. I fell in love with the rasam and the porial that they served. It was so yummy, you guys. You can check out the name and location of this place on Zomato or on Google Maps just so that it's easier for you to find it. Post lunch, we took a 10-minute drive to head out to Auroville. So, this is how Auroville looks from the inside. We didn't take many videos because you're not allowed to use a camera or take too many pictures inside. So as soon as you enter Auroville, it's this amazing spread of area where you have a visitor center. This is a place where you can take pictures and videos, but post a certain point, you have to deposit your phones before you get in, especially to go to the center of attraction, which is the Matri Mandir. Unfortunately, since kids are not allowed, I couldn't go in there. We came here a day in advance because you're supposed to be registering yourself, and nobody else can do that for you. You have to go there in person and register yourself if you would like a tour to visit the Matri Mandir. To avoid making this video too long, I decided to make a part 2 of this video. So check out the next video.